Today, we're going to learn how to install XAMPP. First up, let's head over to the XAMPP website and grab the right download for your operating system. What is XAMPP? Think of XAMPP as a local server in a box. Normally, to test a website that uses code like PHP or a database like MySQL, for example, a WordPress site, you would need to buy web hosting online. XAMPP lets you turn your own computer into a private offline server. This means you can build, test, and design websites completely for free without needing an internet connection. Awesome, now that it's downloaded, let's go ahead and get it installed. Don't worry if you see this error. It usually just means you've had XAMPP installed on your computer before and some old files or settings are conflicting with the new installation. Alright, let's fire it up and see if XAMPP is working properly. Looks like it's working perfectly. But hey, if you run into any issues or get stuck along the way, just drop a comment down below and I'll help you get it sorted out. Goodbye.